Okay. Okay. So present continuous tense is be verb. So first of all, in present continuous tense is structure subject plus am is are and verb one plus ing plus object. And whenever I am thinking, most time is be verb one ing. Putting this verb on ing and others. Okay. Okay. So first of all, structure given subject. Oh. Okay. So actually given structure subject plus am is are plus verb one plus ing plus subject. Okay, and maybe putting this writing here another other words. Okay, end of this is to your sentence other words. Okay, this is so much কি থাকিব হেফত কি থাকিব আদাৰ্ছ থাকিব পাৰে কি থাকিব পাৰে আদাৰ্ছ থাকিব পাৰে okay so usually given that by actually other words maybe other words okay so present continuous tense structure given subject plus am is are plus verb one plus ing plus subject and maybe other words okay so actually how I can understand present continuous tense. So given that by usually so here is given since one of these maybe at this time at this moment those days because hurry up don't disturb and now and whenever you can write here present continuous tense. Okay, there is formula. What is this formula?
subject plus
কেনেকা হোমওয়ার্ক বিলাক যে ই করব পারে না পারে. Okay, so first of all, whenever actual first present continuous tense subject plus am is are plus verb one plus ing plus object. Okay. So you are talking. So I ask you them any question, and you give me answer. Okay. So what is this be verb?
am is are.
Yeah, am is are. Okay. And present continuous tense structure. Subject
plus am is
no.
plus
am is are
plus verb one plus ing plus object.
Okay, am is are plus verb one plus object.
ing.
Oh, okay, that is wrong. Verb one plus ing plus object. Okay. So and why you can use to be that am is are. So this is to depend here was time person on this person. So how many types of person?
3 types.
There are 3 types of person. Okay. So first person, second person, and third person, and maybe first person singular number and plural number. And this is to depend here. Am is our so person on this person. Okay. And how you can use to be that am. So first given I. First person singular number I. And I can write this am. Okay. And that is one example. So I play football now. Okay. So usually that is present continuous tense. And how I can understand? Can I go baba je present continuous tense আছে? No, actually present continuous tense কি থাকিব now থাকিব at this time থাকিব at this moment থাকিব those days থাকিব because থাকিব hurry up থাকিব এইবিলাক হল কি present continuous tense structure present continuous tense নিয়ম কিবিলাক present continuous tense নিয়ম যাই এইবিলাক মুখস্থ কৰিলা হত মুখস্থ কৰা তুমি
কি মুখস্থ
am is are was মই চাটো খাই লও
এটো
yes মুখস্থ কৰা
subject plus am is